Hey, it's Mama Juju. Welcome back to the Back 40. Okay, we're back today with day number 23, texture. Okay, I've been down this mixed media rabbit hole thing and I just haven't got out of it. I'm having a blast and really ain't trying to. So immediately when I thought texture, I thought, okay, this, I've been playing with this stencil and stuff, learning how to do this. That's texture because you can feel it and it's raised and all good stuff. So, we had to do a little bit of that. Then with it, I also had to do my little alcohol inks and sprays and distress sprays and stuff because, that's all texture. And I had to put that on there. Well, then it just kept going. And I thought, okay, well, in texture, because all I could think about was what all do I put in my journals that I like to feel and touch that has layers and textures on it. So I thought, well, I love the fabric, and I especially like the fabric that has like the writing stuff. So I love the fabric. Then I love my lace with my little, raised stuff on it. That's why I like them chunky monkeys. Then I love my lace. I got to put some little lace on it because I love my lace and ribbons and all that kind of stuff. And then, also with texture, I love my clusters, and I especially like the button clusters, especially the double button like this one. Like this is a button, and that's a little button in the middle. And then there's this new thing that Miss Cheryl was doing on ink pulp, where it had the tool and stuff, and she used the heat gun, and it made it all come up and feel. It is really nice and wonderful, but So I did that and I stuck it right there. It was a rose, but then when I closed the journal, it squished it. So it's no longer shaped like a rose anymore, but that was a rose. But it's got that feel there, and especially feels a little different now that it's been all scorched up. Then I just kept going. I thought, okay, well, this is a, photo. We're just going to keep going. Excuse me. So I put my pattern paper in it with my little ruffle pattern paper because, I like putting that in my journal and feeling. Then I have my special paper right here because, I like my special paper, so I got that on there. And then over here is the different sprays, with my mica spray that I made over top of the stenciling, over top of the gluing, where you have the glue and stuff, because that all feels different. So that was all texture. And then of course, this was an old book page, so I put that in there. Well then, on the back, I have the cardstock because that feels different from the book page. So this whole thing is a collage mess of just touchy-feely. So it's just a touchy-feely haven right there going on. So that is my day. I'm telling you, it's fun time. I see y'all on the next go round. Bye.